Just one egg can change things. With consistency, you will get that full result. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, just one egg can lift your chest. Okay, for those that want to lift a saggy one. So this is a natural treatment at home that helps greatly, though this may not help for everyone anyway, depending on how severe it is. Okay, some people, they have a severe one, like sagginess is too much, which will require steady use. So in that case, you have to use this treatment every time. With consistency, you will surely notice a lot of difference, but not really like immediately. So if yours is not so saggy, you will get result from the first use. So I'll be telling you some few things to make use of, to combine with egg, so that you get a good result. So you have to get egg, a raw egg. So get a bowl for mixing everything together. Then you have to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Just break it open. Bring out the clear liquid. The clear liquid is the egg white, which is what you need for tightening, for lifting. So transfer the clear liquid, the egg white, into the bowl. So if you want to increase the quantity, maybe yours is in a big size, okay, you want to increase the quantity to go round, you can get more than one egg. So transfer the egg white into the bowl. The egg yolk, you can actually make use of it for other purpose. You can use it to apply on your face, to treat so many skin problems. When the egg white is in the bowl, the next ingredient to add in here is this cornstarch. So cornstarch is very tightening. Okay, it helps to tighten and lift the skin, be it you want to treat wrinkles, be it you want to lift this area. Okay, you can naturally make use of it, and all the ingredients here are perfectly natural. No side effects. It will not give you any side effects. You will benefit more from all this because it will make that area looking so supple, plumpy, looking so plump and very beautiful. So add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into the bowl. Mix it with the egg white, and the next one to add is this. Get olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Why I said extra virgin olive oil? Because it's more natural. So this is the original one. So either you use this type or any brand, okay, any brand at all, just use extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil contains a very healthy fat and is full of vitamin E. Vitamin E is very perfect for the skin, firming the skin, penetrating to build the skin layer. Adding into the bowl 2 tablespoons of your olive oil, 2 tablespoons. And the last one is castor oil. Castor oil is perfect, not only for hair growth, not only for hair, okay, you can actually make use of it for your skin. So this, when added into it, will help to boost the effect. Add in 2 tablespoons of castor oil as well with the others. Then you mix everything together. Mix and mix until it's well blended. After mixing, it's time to wash that area. Then apply this treatment, round. Be going round. Your hand to be applying it, going round and round. After that, you massage it upwardly. Be going upwardly and be going anti-clockwise and clockwise. Apply it that way. Then after that, you have to allow it to get dry. So when it's dry, put on a tight fitting bra. Leave this treatment on you at least 1 hour. You can actually leave it on more than 1 hour, but in case you are in a hurry to go out, maybe you don't want to leave it on, okay, you can just wash it off like after 1 hour. When it gets dry, you will notice the tightening effect. You will feel it, okay, you feel it. Wash it off with a lukewarm water or a cool water. Do not use a warm water like so hot. Lukewarm or cool. So wash it off, wash it off, then apply vitamin E oil. If you do not have vitamin E oil, just go for olive oil, apply it on it. Use this treatment once daily, every day, apply it and massage it. Massaging it will help to enable blood circulation, and that is going to help to boost the effect because it's going to help greatly to support the lifting of that area. So apply it every day, you get full result. If yours is severe, like I said earlier, you have to use it consistently for a long time before you get full results. So all these are natural, and natural things are not so fast. You will not get fast result like that. Just one egg can do magic for you. Go ahead and mix these ingredients together, then apply it and you see what I'm saying. You can actually make use of this treatment on your face, okay, to lift a saggy skin, to get rid of wrinkles, to make sure you are looking younger all the time. But if you have an oily skin, do not make use of olive oil if you want to make use of it on your face. So that is it. Increase the quantity of all these ingredients if you want to make a larger portion. Store in the refrigerator to make use of it next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.